What's up guys, in this video let's check out the splash water test on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 and see if all the splashing causes any kind of damage to the device or not.
My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration?
Starting the test from the display side, let's have a look at the resistance of the oleophobic layer on the Corning Gorilla Glass against water. The presence of an oleophobic coating on the glass helps in repelling water and reduces fingerprint sponges. After this, we'll proceed with light splashes and then crank up the heat with some heavy splashing. It will be interesting to see how the Redmi Note 5 reacts to water since it is not water resistant and has no IP rating. Having performed several tests on the channel, it can be said that the most common effect is sound distortion via the external speakers. But there have also been incidents of continuous random reboots, like in the case of the Honor 9 Lite or screen flickering issues in the Redmi 5A. Let's see how this brand new Redmi Note 5 reacts to water. Does it survive or suffer some damage? After each stage of the test, the audio through the external speakers did manage to recover after only few seconds of distortion, even after the heavy drenching. And unlike other less durable phones, the Redmi Note 5 did not suffer any random reboots or screen flickering issues. In fact, it has turned out to be the most durable non-IP rated phone tested on the channel. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff like videos on the Redmi Note 5 Pro and its bench test. Thanks for watching, keep the peace, catch you next time.